In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email to HubSpot. First, you will start by navigating to the CRM section of HubSpot. On your screen, look for the navigation menu. You will see options like Dashboard, Marketing, Sales, and more. Click on the CRM option. This is where all your customer relationship management tools are housed. Once you click on CRM, a drop-down will appear. From there, select Contacts. This is critical as it directs you to where you manage all your contacts. You will see a list of existing contacts and a clear option to create a new contact. This step sets the foundation for adding valuable information about your leads or customers. Next, look for the button that says Create Contact. This button is usually prominently displayed on the right side of the screen. When you click on it, a new form will pop up. This form is where you will input all the necessary information about the person you want to add. It's important to use this button because it clearly indicates that you are starting the process of adding a new contact. You will see a blank form ready for your input, which makes it straightforward to get started. Now you will enter the person's email address in the designated field. This is a crucial step as the email address is often the primary identifier for contacts in HubSpot. Make sure to double-check the spelling to ensure accuracy. A correct email address ensures that your communications reach the right person. You will see that this field is usually marked as required, emphasizing its importance. This is a small yet vital part of the process that keeps your contact list accurate and manageable. After entering the email address, you have the option to add other details if needed. This includes information like the person's name, phone number, or company. This step is essential because adding additional details can help you keep track of your interactions with that contact. You will notice that the form allows for several optional fields. You can fill in as much or as little as you choose. Providing more context about the contact can enhance your engagement and relationship building efforts down the line. Finally, once you have filled out the necessary fields, you will click on the Create Contact button again. This action will officially save the new entry into your HubSpot database. You should see a confirmation message appear, indicating that the contact has been successfully created. This last step is vital because it ensures that all the information you just entered is securely stored. You can now find this contact in your list whenever you need to reach out to them or track your interactions. By following these steps, you have successfully added an email to HubSpot. This process is straightforward and helps you manage your contacts effectively. Remember, keeping your contact information updated is key to successful communication and relationship management. Thank you for following along and happy HubSpotting!